How to use a Visa gift card on Shein. For this, go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and search for Shein.com. Then go ahead and tap on search. You will be redirected in Shein official homepage. So Shein has become one of the leading online fashion retailer offering trendy clothes, accessories, and beauty products at affordable prices with a vast collection for all, that is women, men, and kids. It also is a user-friendly, and with its frequent discount and worldwide shipping, it is one of the best online fashion retailer. So how can we use a Visa gift card in Shein? Select a category from Shein. Then you have to tap on an item which you want to purchase. Once you are done with it, tap on Add to Cart. At the top, you will see a cart option. Go ahead and tap on it. At the bottom, you should find this checkout bubble. You have to go ahead and tap on it. Then fill out this shipping address with your name and your address. Once it is done, now to confirm your order, select the payment method of credit or debit card. Now, you have to go ahead and enter the credential and details regarding your Visa gift card, including the expiration date, CVV number, and all. Now, once you do that and go ahead and purchase the item, you'll be able to use your Visa gift card on Shein. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.